In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Gmail contacts to CSV. If you're moving to a new email app, backing up your address book, or sharing a curated list with a colleague, exporting to a CSV file is a quick and reliable way to take your contacts with you. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, works with most spreadsheet apps and many contact managers, making it a flexible format for storage and import. Start by opening Google Contacts. You can go straight to contacts.google.com in your browser, or if you're already in Gmail, click the Google Apps grid icon in the top right corner and choose Contacts from the menu. Take a moment to confirm you're signed into the correct Google account so you export the right list. Now decide which contacts you want to export. If you want every contact tied to this account, you don't need to check any boxes, just move ahead. If you only need specific people, hover your mouse over each name and check the box that appears on the left. You can select as many as you like. If you organize contacts with labels, like work or family, click the label in the left sidebar to filter the list. Anything you export while a label is selected will include just those contacts. When you're ready, initiate the export. Look to the left-hand sidebar and click Export. If you don't see the sidebar or it's collapsed, look near the top of your contact list for the 3 vertical dots labeled More Actions and choose Export from that menu. Next, pick the format that fits your destination. Choose Google CSV if you're backing up your data or planning to import into another Google account, since it aligns well with Google's contact fields. Choose Outlook CSV if you're moving your contacts into Microsoft Outlook or another desktop email client that expects Outlook's field mapping. Selecting the right format helps ensure names, phone numbers, and other details land in the correct fields during import. Finally, click Export. Your file, usually named Contacts (SV), will download to your computer's default Downloads folder. If you exported a large list, give it a moment to finish. If you don't see it right away, check your browser's Downloads tray or open your Downloads folder in your file manager. It's a good idea to rename the file with something memorable, like the date and label, and store it somewhere secure, since it contains personal information. That's it. You've successfully exported your Gmail contacts to a CSV, and you're ready to use that file wherever you need it.